What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. As you can see, the kind people over at Truefree, they were kind enough to send me out their B1 wireless earbuds. So these say they have 10.8 mm dual magnetic drivers, 25 hours of playtime, and it says silicone and memory steel wire. And this is what the case looks like, and over on the back it tells you what they can do and can't do. These do not have wireless charging, I do not believe. These are what they are going to pretty much look like, as you can see. And these will cost you $39.99 plus tax. So you're looking around to spend around $40 for these earbuds. A lot of companies are going for the open ear earbud style, so you can hear your surroundings. It says ultra comfortable design, minimum sound leakage, so clear calls and dual connections. And this is what they look like. I believe they only come in one color, and that is black, and that is okay with me. But these are geared toward people that like to do a lot of running, walking, so on and so on, that nature. So with your earbuds in the carrying case, you do get your charging cable. And here, I'm not going to open that because I have oodles of these already, so I'm just going to tuck that away. And then you also get to where you can connect these to iPhone or your Android device. So we're just going to open up these little jokers like so, and let's see what they look like. So it kind of gives you a little pill shaped design, not too big but not too small. That's what it looks like. I'm going to open these up, and these are what these are going to look like, which they do look pretty nice. As you can see, they look pretty nice there, no problem. And then they will just stick in here for charging, just like that, if we can get them in there the right way, just like that. So you do get your left and right earbud. So now let's go over to the app so we can get these things connected. And that is how they're going to look sitting in there. And you also get an indicator for your left and your right. And on the back, this is where you would do USB charging, because these do not have wireless charging. So now let me move the headset. Okay, so let these get a connection to get their charge. And there they go right there. So we're going to hit pair. Took a while, but we finally got them paired up. So now let's go back to the app. And we already paired them up. What happened? They're connecting again. These ones are, hold on, let's connect them. Oh yeah, you have to take them out, I think. Yeah. Connected. Okay, so yeah, you have to take these out of the case in order for them to be connected, which is kind of weird. Okay, so there they go right there. So now we should be able to place these back in real quick without it telling me. It should be good to go to be paired up. Oh, okay, so as soon as you connect them back in the case, you lose your connection, as you can see, and that is very weird. But anyways, let's go back to the app. Okay, so with these, this is the home page that you're currently greeted with. It shows you the earbuds. You get your left battery percent and your right battery percent. You get your headset functions. You can disable touch, and I'm gonna leave that disabled. You have gaming mode, custom touches, and I'm gonna leave those off. You do get more functions, so you get device information, movie mode, drainage function, dynamic EQ, so we can cut that on if that's something we want on. And then you also get equalizer, so you get presets. I'm gonna come in here and enhance the bass just so I can test them out. And you get customized and then adaptive, and this is what this interface is gonna look like with these. And then you also get your settings, so you just can use this app with any kind of Truefree headphones that you have. I will be back testing how they look, feel, and sound. So I'm back. So this is how they will sound. This is coming straight from these earbuds, the Truefree B1. This is how they're gonna look. You can shake them. They will not fall out. This is how they look in your ear. Not bad, you know, something different. But let me know what you think, because it's coming strictly from these earbuds. I have it connected to my S25 Ultra. So let me know what you think about how they sound.